Hello friends, welcome back to my channel ZTech, and today in this video I am gonna show you how can you get a free virtual credit card. So let's get started. In actual, by this method you can get unlimited virtual credit cards. So without wasting any time, let's get started and let me show you how you can do it. Okay, so here is the screen of my phone. Let me show you which app you have to download. So here is the logo of the app that you have to download. The app name is TransferWise or Wise. You can just download it from App Store or Play Store. Let me open it and let me show you what's the interface of this app. Here you can see the interface of this app. Let me show you the settings first. After it I will show you how you can get unlimited virtual credit cards from this app. Okay, this app is available worldwide. You can just create an account of this app if you are able to do. Otherwise you can buy documents from me. I will give you documents. Here you can see you can just get any sort of bank account from it. You can get a British bank account, a USA bank account, or any account that you want. Now let's tap on cards option and let me show you the virtual credit cards that are available in my account. You can see there are 2 cards available right now in my account. So how we can order a new card? You can see at the top corner there is option of order a card. I have clicked on it. Now there are 2 types of cards. If you wanna buy a physical card, that will cost you $6, but the digital card is free. So we will get a digital credit card. I will click on it and let me order your digital card. Let me see whether it works or not. So I have clicked on it. You can see guys, my card is ready. I can just use it on any website all over the world. This card is accepted on all the websites. You can just use it. Now you can see guys, there are 3 cards in my account. You can use any card and after it you can just delete it and you can create a new account or a new card. Okay, you can get unlimited virtual credit cards from this app. You can just create an account of this app. Okay, I am deleting my card and let me order a new card and let me show you this one again. Okay, digital card, and now you can see guys, my card is again ready. Now if you wanna see your card details, there is an option of freeze card, card details, and show pin. So you have to click on card details. You can see here are my card details. I can't show you because these are my personal details. Okay, that's why I am hiding them. I hope you understood the concept of this app. You can just put money in this account if you wanna spend, or if you wanna use these cards for trials, then you shouldn't spend money on it. You can just use your cards wherever you want. Okay, if you guys wanna buy an account of TransferWise or Wise from me, then you can contact me on my Instagram or Facebook. In case if you are unable to create this type of account, then you can contact me. I will save you my account in a low price. So goodbye for the next video. See you later friends.